just don't get around.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a promo code from Amazon. So I got these off of Amazon, and these are natural wood slices. It's a count of 10. You can use them for weddings, you can use it for do-it-yourself crafts. In this package is going to come two different twines. So you have this twine and then you have this orange. I'm wishing that it was a different color just because it's Christmas time. So if you guys find twine at your local Michael's, Hobby Lobby, AC Moore, if you have one still, pick you up some twine that's red and white or something like that. But anyways, here are the wood slices. They definitely smell they definitely smell good. So the one thing I'll say to you guys is this piece, these are gonna keep breaking off. What I would do is hot glue these just so that it doesn't fall off, but then again I feel like it still will. So I'm going to show you guys how to paint these and then how to apply vinyl to them in order to make these and put it on your tree. I'm also going to show you guys how to get a hole in these for your tree, or I can show you how to hot glue it onto the back. Totally up to you, but I'm going to show you guys both ways, as this is going to be a teacher's gift for my coworker from my daughter. So like I said, it comes in a pack of 10. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to pull all of them out at the same time. So here's two more, and then here is the rest. So it comes in this little pack right here. So let's just jump right into it. And a link will be linked in the description box to purchase these. These make really good Christmas gifts. They make really good Christmas ornaments. It's totally up to you. But okay guys, so what you're going to need is these 4 acrylic paints. These are the ones that I'm going to use. I'm using black, I'm using white, red, and green. And you also need to make sure that you have your paint brushes for these. I'm just putting them on top of container cups so that they can just be easily thrown away after. So I put enough on the tops to coat these wood slices 2 times. So you just want to take your paintbrush and just go around in the circle just like it is on the inside and paint those. What you can do beforehand is just simply take a paper towel or a baby wipe or something along the lines of that and just wipe off the wood slices on both sides so that you can get started painting. So I just wanted to coat these twice because I wanted to give it that extra color to it. And so I did not see any wood on the inside of it. Allow them to dry for about 5 to 15 minutes and they should be dry. So anyways, guys, a couple of days later, here it is, finally getting back to the project. First, what you want to do is make sure you have Cricut downloaded onto your phone, iPad, wherever you use it at. I use it on my iPad. So I'm going into the Cricut design space. Obviously, they have changed it. So I just need to log in. I have everything I need. I have my twine, the painted products. I have my materials for my Cricut. I have the vinyl that I need. I have my mats. I have transfer tape under here. And then I have my Cricut machine. I'm sitting on the floor as a difference. Oh, shout out to... So let's give a shout out to Monvic US. Why do I say that? Because about a month or two ago, they asked me to do a review and a video on the glue gun. So the glue gun video, you guys can check out on my channel. When I say that this is highly recommended, it's highly recommended. Look at the total difference from any other glue gun to where, what other glue gun do you know comes with a button? Okay. And then it also has the tray where I can easily put in this clamp and I could sit it right here so that I would be able to use it. And it came with literally like 50,000 hot glue sticks. So I am ready to finish my product. All right, so the first one that I want to do is the red one, which is right here, and I just want to go ahead and pick out which one I want to use. So I think that I'm going to use this one. So you're just going to hit it, say that you want to insert it, and I want to try to measure it out the best way that I can. So I think that I'm going to make the width a little smaller. Let's see, let's change the height too, just because. All right, so this is what I want to print out. It is gonna print out red, but I just want to see how this comes out to put onto the ornament. So let's do it.
I wake up, I go ball, I go harder with my dogs, spit it all, what's the call? Need a 10, never fall, polo socks, polo jaws, keep it 10, beat the odds, in my line, what you want, I pick up, get it all, love when the celly gon' ring, I'm putting on my team, money come flowing, no sink, spring, 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 double cup, my drink, love my little baby, no leak, I be counting money, no sheet, I get to it up in my sleep. Shorts had chain when the money came. Money bang him, get money back.
Okay, so I have my piece of transfer tape and I'm just going to put it over top and then we'll transfer it to the actual wood slice.
Need a money counter for the money, eh? No, I need you, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I be 30 by 30. Drop top doors go vert. SRT go skirt. Lately like a bub and seeing. I handle the business, then I get love in Europe even. Ball so hard I used to play. I'm never giving up. You roll like a semi-truck. Say what I'm saying, yeah, you're a parent now. Yankee on my head, I guess that I think that I'm Derek, huh? Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team.
Alright, so gently peel back the transfer tape. And you can save that for another project if need be. This is the part where you'll just make sure that it's flat. Okay.
Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cover my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my seat. Love when the celly go ring. 2 iPhones on me. I'm booking plays all week. I don't do skins on skis. Next year, chain for my team. Keep a couple blues in my jeans. Keep a couple cars, no leans. Had to kick the cup, no fee. I could never take a hand out. I could never leave my man down. Yeah, 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 stand out. Plan A, this is planned out. Been smooth like grease. Been smooth, John T. Neighborhood, that's who. Nicholas, that's me. Been real to the T. I never lie through my teeth. Why? What you get is what you see. Why? New fit, that's neat. Yeah, for the green like a leaf. For the green like a reef. Don't trip, don't reach. Get rich, don't speak. Yeah. Love when the celly go ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cover my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my sleep.
Your heart, keep it in.
Alright, so we're gonna take the twine right here, and I'm gonna hot glue it onto the back of the ornaments instead of drilling a hole. So
Pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once
Okay
you
guys,
see.
so I have applied the varnish onto it. What I will say is I really was supposed to get the gloss varnish, but I got satin varnish. Either way, so what? Got it. This one is dried. You can just touch it and feel it. You are more than welcome to go back and add more things to it. I just wanted to make this one as a example and hopefully give this to someone, maybe my secret pal. And then of course this one is wet because this was the last one I did, but these are how they will turn out. The reason why I did it on the side is so that it can hang up, and you know, anybody can angle it instead of doing it straight up. And then this one was the same way, but as you can see, this one is dry as well, and they look really, really cute. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys order yourself these cute little wood slices. I hope that you guys also order yourself the nice little hot glue gun, and I hope that you guys make some ornaments yourself. Comment down below which one is your favorite, and also be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you guys will be able to catch the next video. Bye.